say? Happy birthday, baby girl.
Would you be the preacher? Would you be my Mr. Dun 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 dun? I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it. Mr. Dun 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 dun. I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
On the 16th of June, a very special girl was born just for me. And we grew up together. We were friends from childhood. We went to the same church, we went to the same primary school. And as time goes on, we became very close. And she became my best friend. And our mothers are friends, like a very, like, yeah, I think they are best friends too, but I don't know. But because of that, we grew up like sisters. We grew up together, and today happens to be her birthday. I decided to do this surprise video for her because she's always asking me for a makeup tutorial video. So I just decided to do this video for her and for all my friends who have been asking me for a makeup tutorial video. So I hope she likes it, and I want to take this opportunity to tell her that she's the best thing that has ever happened to me aside my boyfriend, and I love her so much. Claudiana Didi Mesa, you mean the world to me, and you are my red blood cells. You already know. So yeah, welcome to my first YouTube video, and I hope you like it, and I love you.
Hi, so I took my brows off camera just to make everything quick and fast. So what I'm doing is I'm using my concealer to clean beneath my brows. Then I'll use like my foundation or like a darker shade of concealer to clean above it, just to clean it, to make it neat. Then after that I blend it to my skin. But one thing you have to know is you have to blend the concealer down to your eyelid. Blend it down to your eyelid. Then after, I use like a brownish kind of shade or a nude kind of shade for my eyelid. I use it for like a base kind of thing. But if you want to, you can also use like any color you want, but just have to make it lighter so it doesn't look scary for your base. Then I blend it all out just to make it very neat. And yeah, so when I'm done, I just cut my crease with the concealer. So I take my time. You have to really take your time and cut it, because if you're not careful, you have to clean the whole thing and start all over again. So you just have to take your time and cut it. I did it halfway. I didn't do a full crease cutting or whatever it's called. So yeah, I just cut it. Then I saw all this on YouTube. I learned it on YouTube. So yeah, you can also do this. It's very simple. So when you're done, you cut the other side. I cut the other side with the concealer as well. Then when you're done, you use the orange or any color that you want, but I used orange. So I used the orange for my crease. So I use like a darker orange at the outer part of my crease, and I use like a lighter orange at the middle. Then I use like a really lighter shade of orange for the corner of my crease. So you just blend it all out just to make it have like a transition kind of feel, just to make everything look nice. So from light to dark, like that kind of thing. So you just have to like blend. Makeup is all about blending, and you have to have time for it. So at the corner of my eyelid where I didn't use the concealer, I just take my dark brown, just to blend it into the orange. So yeah, when I was done, I just do my liner. And Claudia, I know this, you can do it like you are a pro. So yeah, like this is so simple for you, and you taught me how to draw my liner, and today I'm teaching you how to do shadow. So yeah, you just draw your liner. Then I just wore my lash off camera just to make things fast, because it was difficult wearing it on camera. So after that, I used my milk of magnesia for my face just to hold my makeup for a long time. So instead of me using primer, that's what I use as my primer, and it works for me. So yeah, so I used my foundation Early Girl, and I mixed it with a bit of Mary Kay just to make me a bit like, just to get my shade. So I used a darker shade of Mary Kay. So yeah, after I was done blending, I went in with my highlights. I highlight wherever I want to highlight, then after I blend it all out into my skin. So you just have to blend, take your time and blend it. Then one trick, you have to wet your beauty blender. It makes blending very easy and fast because it's wet. It goes very fast. So yeah, that'd be all actually. Then after that, you just contour wherever you want to contour. Then I dust the excess baking powder off my face, and Charlie, that be all for this Bob. So yeah, you keep. I think that's my highlights. I'm so bad at this voiceover, but anyways, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So when I was done, I just went in with my highlights for the corner of my crease just to give it some kind of glowing tone. Yeah, then after I did my waterline, mostly I used a black shadow for my waterline. Then when I was done, I just went in with the orange shade I used for my crease just to give it a different kind of flow, bob. Yeah, so yeah, then I'm done. I just like glosses. I don't do lipstick because my lips are big, but yeah, I just went in with the gloss just to give it like some kind of G kind of look, you understand? So yeah, that's it. Then I'm good to go, baby. See that child. So yeah, I saw this thing on Instagram and I just decided to try it. Yeah, so I used my liner to do a little bit of something on my face, and yeah, I think I like it. It looks so good on me. So yeah, that's me. Thanks so much for watching my video. I know I'm bad at the voiceover, but I'll do better next time, please. So I hope to see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. And Claudia, I hope you like it. Love you, baby. Bye.